Hey, what's up? My name is Vasi. Today we will dig into Airpod 2. We will discuss 10 awesome features about the Airpods. So, let's get into. Hello, welcome back. So, in iPad have a very big discount Airpods. So, before price is $159. So now it's only almost $140. So check it out the Amazon. You will find. So hurry and order a pair for you. So now it's time for discuss 10 features. Are you ready? Let's go. Number first is automatically on when you connected. When you on, automatically connected. Number 2 is easy setup for all your Apple devices. Number 3 is quick access to Hey Siri. It will be on from your. And number 4 is double tap to play or skip forward, so it will be skip. Number 5 is new Apple H1 headphone chips deliver fast wireless connection. And number 6 is fast charging, quickly in the charging the case. And number 7 is case can be charged using the lightning connector. This is a good one. And number 8 is rich high quality audio wise. This will give you good song. And number 9 is seamless switching between devices. It's very easy to switch the devices. And number 10, the last one, is listen and talk day with a multiple charging from charging case. So that's all what you need. It's make life easy. Try it and stay fresh, stay cool like a old school. Thank you so much. Hit the subscriber button if you like this video. Thank you so much.